So we are in Huron Bay at the Iron Range Huron Bay ore dock. Fortunately, the wind has picked up and the lake is rough. Rex is here today. We had to walk through a lot of junk to get here, but the theory is that island out there is over possibly the tramway dock. Hey Rex, you think that might be the 100-foot section right out there? Yeah. Yeah. That is facing south towards Skaney Road. Huh? Oh my gosh. This solid piece could be hiding another piece of that dock that we found. We need to bring our metal detectors, because it's solid under there. So this could be, that's why now we have to come before, are you gonna be here? Yeah, well, not now I wouldn't, but I started across and it got mucky, and since I was alone I didn't want to go. But if there's two of us, so we bring a, we could get a kayak in here to hold on to. But see, it's getting deeper. Right out there we think is the possible tramway. Boy, I'd like to focus in on that. Well, we came over to what we think might be the covered up tramway dock. Got my GoPro so I can't zoom in. We're looking for evidence, but there's so much sand out here we might not find it. As you can see, the waves are getting bigger. Maybe these are from the dock. Right here, right here, right here. Look at. Didn't they have a bunch of piled up there by the as we, you could see it going out into the water, the main part. Oh, by some of the slate that day. You're right. Some of the slate that was brought down by the tramway. This is a square. Look at this. This is square. Yeah. Yeah, it did. Rex in Huron Bay, exploring the ore dock and looking for the tramway and freight dock. Yeah, you're right, this is probably some of that slate. And this is what Jim and I saw on the bottom as we were trying to come in with our boat. And we hit it too many times, I says, we gotta go. Huh?
This would have to be the freight dock.
Yeah, you think so?
It'd have to be that close.
Yeah.
The slate supposedly was good.
Or this could be the freight dock. Look at, here's more. Look at. More pieces.
This had to be from iron range here.
Yep. And then there's a little piece.
That's a spike too.
Yeah, look at that. Oh. Yeah, look at that is a spike.
Yeah.
Oh man. Woo. Take it, aren't you? Well, proof. That's all we need is the proof, and we got it. Now, how do we get back? Yeah. Well, see, wait till late this afternoon when it's... I hate to leave when we find these exciting things. I want to just stay and... Is that one sticking up the one that we just saw?
No. Definitely the dock was there. They probably put cribbing here and filled the slate. That's part of the cribbing.
I gotta go back and read all that information. What is that? Another one? It's a little slippery here. I'm on this way. Oh, okay. Bruce is over there waiting for us to leave. Bottom of the bay, the Silver River runs into it, and if you go down that way you'll run into Lom's eventually. Okay, close this down for a minute.